Toronto Raptors had their 5-game win streak snapped on Wednesday. The Hornets, meanwhile, had their 11-game losing streak reversed. Anthony Davis averaging 14 and 10 in his 9 games back from an ankle injury. And the ankle looks just fine right there, tipping in the alley-oop off the pass from Greivis Vasquez early on. Kyle Lowry back in after missing his last 7 games with a triceps injury. That is Terrence Ross with a dunk attempt, but Amir Johnson called for the offensive foul away from the ball. Would not be allowed. DeMar DeRozan in the post. Going to work, tough fadeaway. Gets it to go. Toronto on an 8-2 run. They led 48-42 at halftime. Austin Rivers taking a handoff from Davis, giving it right back to the big fella. Another alley-oop. And New Orleans still trailing by 6. 15 seconds left in the third. Lowry on the drive. Kicks it out to DeRozan for the 3 ball. That is good. 70-63. Fourth quarter now. Ryan Anderson getting in on the act. Led the league in 3-pointers made last season. Had 3 of them on Friday night. Finished with 17 points and 12 rebounds. Vasquez finding Davis down low for the bucket and the foul. He would complete the 3-point play, had 25 points and 9 rebounds. It's a 4-point game. Still a 4-point game. Here's the steal from DeRozan. Goes to the other end, layup and the foul. Count it. It's now 90-83 with a buck and a half left to play. Vasquez, he missed out on a triple-double by just a single rebound. 20 points, 9 rebounds, and 14 assists, one of them coming right here as he hands it off to Anderson, down by 3, not anymore. Oh my, friendly bouncing going on the rim. It's 91 all. Ryan Anderson coming up with a clutch shot. Never hurts to be a little lucky as well. DeRozan, chance to win it here for the Raptors. Pull up, good D, and it's no good. Headed to overtime. Raptors in their 3rd overtime game of the season. And Kyle Lowry helping the cause. He had 17 points, 8 assists in 27 minutes off the bench for Toronto. 98-93 in favor of the Raptors. And then back to DeRozan. He had 30 in this one. Raptors get their first overtime win of the season and their first win against a Western Conference opponent. Toronto's won 6 of 7. The final score 104-97 in overtime.